What's up, guys? We're here in Elite. We're doing the randoms for the wildcard redemptions and the 3-spot giveaways for both PYT number 2 and the random. So we're just going to go and get a timestamp real quick. I'm just going to put live for randoms. We are live at 6:59. Just turned 7 here. So this is for the wild cards for the team random. So top 5 are gonna win. We're gonna go 3 times. Good luck. 1, 2, and 3. We got Chuck, Rick, Brian, Matthew, and Brian. Top 5, each getting a wild card. Let's see, 3 times. And for the 3-spot random for the team random, 1, 2, and 3. Muscali on that one, 3 times. This is for the wild cards for the PYT number 2. So the top spot is going to get the Emerald wild card because that was the first one that we pulled, and then the rest are just regular. So top 5 are going to win in general 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Chuck, you got the Emerald. Chuck, Ryan, Chuck, and Dennis. Nice random for you there, Chuck. 3 times. And for the 3-spot giveaway, 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Muscali taking both randoms, or 3 spots. Congrats, buddy. So I'll get one more timestamp. We'll go done. We're done at 7:01. 7:01. There you go, guys.